Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I had a really hard time trying to decide what to name this craft segment. So I've called it Overseas Overseas Currency Craft Project. And the reason I want to do it is, Astar's place has started doing its travels overseas, and I'm going to be a heat-seeking information person looking to see all the different crafts that people do all over the world. So our first trip has been to Japan, and even though I thought I had dumped all the little bits of coins that one gathers while one's away overseas, I came home and found all of these coins, and coins that I've never seen before. But I thought, what could I do with these as a memento of the places that we go to? So after much considered thought, I was going to use a big terracotta pot and I was going to paint it. And then I thought, well, hold on a minute, I've got this. Now this was made out of recycled cardboard, this bust, so it's quite sturdy and robust. And then I applied 2 coats of the tin or liquid tin to it. Once that was dried, I just hit it with a little bit of, you can use steel wool or some fine sandpaper, and you get this lovely sheen on it which looks like tin. Now this has been lying around here for lots and lots of years, and I'm so pleased that I don't throw the things that I make out, because this is going to be perfect for what I want to do. So looking at all of my coins here and knowing that we're going to be traveling extensively, it's just going to be a matter of getting my coins and a little bit of hot glue, and what I intend doing is gluing all of these coins to the face of my bust here, and I'm going to leave it at my front door, and when people come to visit they'll be able to see all of the places that I've been to. And the interesting thing is that it will be a great talking point. So I'm just going to, as the years go by, I'm just going to add to this until the whole thing is completely covered in the little coins that one gathers when one's traveling around the world. Isn't that a great idea? I think it's going to be just one of those great pieces that I can have at the front door, and I like it. I hope you enjoy it too, and I hope that this solves your problem with what to do with your surplus to requirement overseas currency. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again another day.